Okay guys, sorry for posting this video quite late. That's my homework solution for lesson number 24, mouse region of interest. And I wrote a lot of things, so my code is quite long. It includes also the mouse action, and in the main program loop I created a number of windows. The first one, the background, just shades the rear part of the screen in order to avoid too much clutter on the images. Then a number of ROI windows. Finally, the handling of mouse events. Now let's start it. Here we are. It starts with the screen, and I can use the mouse here, for example, picking out this part of the image. As soon as I press the mouse for the first time, I get a number of showing the upper and lower corner, and here you can see three windows. First one called ROI. Then I played a little bit around and converted the image to HSV and a gray version. And now what I can do is I can go every direction I want, and if I select rectangular windows, the small windows resize depending on the size of my selected regions, can also be very small. And of course, I could also go through the whole screen. I also added some functions which avoid, for example, leaving the screen or getting errors if I come too close to the borders. Yeah. Thanks, Paul, for the very interesting course, and see you next time. And sorry for being so late, but I had some other stuff to do. Bye-bye.